This Italian meatloaf, I'm going to be using ground turkey. Italians, they like to use traditional recipes handed down from generation to the next generation. They like to use fresh ingredients with lots of texture and flavors. And cooking is a way that they express themselves. And a chef once told me that you can never in a lifetime learn everything there is to know about cooking. So we're going to use this recipe to express ourselves to make an Italian meatloaf with porcini sauce, but we're going to do a little variation. We're going to use ground turkey instead of ground beef, but you can use ground beef if you want, or veal, or a combination. And then we're also going to use portobello mushrooms instead of the porcini mushrooms because I don't have any. And then we're going to also use for our olive oil a unrefined extra virgin olive oil. And when I choose my olive oil, I like to check the label to see what country it came from. And if it comes from a place like Greece or Italy, then those are the olive oils that I usually choose because it helps me to think that it makes me think that it's more natural. I'm going to press the meatloaf to the corner, smoothing it out. I'm going to top it off with my honey barbecue sauce. I'm going to smooth that over the top of my meatloaf. And I like to clean as I go, so I'm just going to wipe off my spices, put those away. I like my mushroom to be soft, so I'm going to soak in some hot water and sit to the side. I'm going to add the water that my mushroom soaked in. I'm going to add that to the pan as well. Keep all of the flavor because I love flavor. I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of flour. And stir that up till it blends all together. Now I'm going to add my bone broth, or you can use beef broth as well. I'm going to stir that in slow as well. Stirring over medium heat. Now my flour is getting too thick, so I need to remove it and I have to add some more water to it. Yeah, that's a little bit too thick. I'm looking for a soupy, creamy-like texture. And then I want to add more flavor. I don't want to water it down, so I'm going to add some half and half, and I'm just going to keep adding in half and half, stirring it in slowly until I reach the consistency that I want, which is a soupy, creamy-like texture. And cooking is about creating certain texture that you like, if you like something creamy or thick. And then also you have to taste along the way to make sure that it tastes the way you want it to taste. It's not too salty, or if it needs more salt. After tasting, I need more salt. So I'm going to add some more Himalaya pink salt, oregano, and I want more mushrooms. So chop chop, I'm going to add to some hot water, get them soft before adding them to my sauce. Now I'm ready to top my meatloaf. I'm going to go and enjoy me some Italian meatloaf with creamy mushroom sauce. So bye for now. See you in the next video.